6%. That's the current share of coaches who use AI-powered coaching tools or chatbots with clients. 54% say improved technology platforms are a priority for meeting future client demand. The vast majority say technology matters. Almost none have done anything about it yet. That gap isn't a crisis. It's an early mover window, and it closes. 6%. That is the current share of coaches who use AI-powered coaching tools or chatbots with clients. 54% say improved technology platforms are a priority for meeting future client demand. So the vast majority of coaches say technology matters, and almost none of them have done anything about it yet. That gap is not a crisis. It is an early mover window, and it closes. Source: ICF 2025 Global Coaching Study, 10,035 respondents across 127 countries. The 6% adoption figure is not reassurance. It is the current state. The trend is the relevant data, and the trend runs toward higher adoption as tools improve and standard 2.5 compliance becomes table stakes rather than differentiator. Coaches who achieve standards literacy before the market catches up hold a real time-bounded differentiator with sophisticated buyers. The window is real. The shelf life is not infinite. The operator decides whether to use it. Not all coaching niches are equally exposed to AI substitution. 3 zones: high substitution risk, structured habit building, weekly accountability check-ins, skill practice scenarios, onboarding coaching programs for large cohorts. BetterUp Coachee AI and CoachHub AIMY are built precisely for these. If your niche is helping mid-level managers become better communicators, AI tools are already adequate for significant parts of that use case. Moderate substitution risk, goal clarity work with motivated self-directing clients, early-stage leadership development where the content is fairly standard and the relationship is the secondary mechanism. Low substitution risk, senior and C-suite executive one-on-one where political complexity, relationship continuity, and high stakes are load-bearing. Team coaching with multi-stakeholder dynamics and real-time group intervention. Organizational embedding in change management contexts. 2 coaches, same PCC credential. Coach A, niche is helping mid-level managers become better communicators. High substitution risk, structured skill building, large cohort programs, exactly BetterUp Coachee AI's stated use case. Coach B, niche is executive team development through organizational change. Low substitution risk, multi-party complexity, relationship continuity dependent, political ambiguity that requires human judgment in the room. Same credential, radically different AI exposure. The point is not to scare Coach A. The point is to prompt the annual check-in that every operator should be running. AI can't replicate the human connection is a slogan, not a forecast. The forecast requires looking at specific capabilities in specific use cases, not a general claim about human irreplaceability. The AI tools that exist today are adequate for structured skill building, accountability tracking, and content delivery at scale. They are not adequate for the relational, ambiguous, high-stakes work at the low substitution end. That assessment changes as AI capabilities improve, which is why the substitution risk check is an annual operator task, not a one-time answer. The 5 decisions from Module 1 look different when read through the substitution risk lens. Decision 1, niche, is the most affected. An operator who chose a niche in 2022 should be running it through this gradient now, not at renewal time. The early mover advantage for standard 2.5 compliance also applies specifically in the high substitution zone. A coach whose niche is under AI pressure and who also achieves visible compliance has a positioning move that most of their direct competitors haven't made. That move has a limited shelf life. It is worth more now than it will be in 2 years. Module 0 introduced the in versus on distinction, working in the practice versus working on it. AI changes both sides. The on side is this unit: competitive pressure, niche viability, positioning, the early mover window. The inside, how AI enters actual sessions, prep, and documentation, is Unit 9.2. And there is one thing about the inside that most coaches don't see coming at all. Your E&O insurance may not cover AI-assisted work. That is where we go next.